So I've been seeing all the girls talk about all this Korean skincare, and I could not wait to get my hands on some. I am an advocate for Black women using sunscreen on our face. Literally, my skin feels so bouncy. That tip changes the game. It feels so good on your lips, y'all. And it like snatches your brows. Check out that Korean skincare, okay? Because that's where it's at. That's where it's at. What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a Korean skincare PR unboxing. I got this new PR packaging, y'all, and I am in love. So shout out to Unleashia. They sent me over their bundle, and y'all, I cannot wait to share these amazing products with y'all. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and we gonna jump into it. Okay, guys, so I've been seeing all the girls talk about all this Korean skincare, and I could not wait to get my hands on some, okay? So shout out to my folks over at Unleashia. They sent me over a whole bundle, and I cannot wait to share these products with y'all. So I already tried all of these products, so I will do overlays and show you guys some of the details of the products as I talk about them, and as we go through them. I already shot them some content, so I already have a lot of little pieces for you guys. So starting out, y'all, they sent me over their sorbet cleanser, and y'all, this was amazing. So I really liked the texture on it, and it also gave like a very sticky, gooey type of feel on my face. And at first I was like, what in the world? But that's actually one of the benefits of the sorbet. You can tell the sticky texture. It actually pulls out impurities and blackheads and whiteheads and stuff off of your face as you go through and you pat it, as well as when you rinse it off. So I noticed immediately when I started to wash it off my face, y'all, my skin was so soft, like super soft. I loved it, like absolutely 10 out of 10. It's the sorbet cleanser, and it has apple extract, beet extract, and carrot extract. So I loved it, y'all. And you can see, I'll put a little bit on my finger. Like, this is the texture. Like, it's literally like, oh, y'all, it's like that. Hold on, let me get a towel. So you just let it kind of like stick on your face and wash it off, y'all. 10 out of 10. Had my skin feeling so smooth, so soft, like super clean, like another level of clean. And I think it's because it was so sticky, but I loved it. 10 out of 10. Y'all gotta go get that. I will have all these products linked, and I also will have my code so you guys can get a discount and try these products out for yourself, okay? Also, shout out to Yes Style. Okay, guys, let's see what we got next. And these are also great ideas for like gifts, especially if you're somebody that's into skincare. This is an awesome gift for yourself. Or if you're dating or you got somebody in your life that loves skincare, then make sure you guys go cop these. So this is their Banana Sun Serum, and I love this as well. So it's really hard finding an SPF that doesn't like leave a white film, and especially as a woman of color, it's very hard for me to find like good sunscreens, good SPFs that don't leave that ashy, dry morgue look on your face. And this actually left my face looking just like you see it right now. Super moisturized, like my skin is glowing. Literally, my skin feels so bouncy and nice. Like, I loved it, y'all. Like, I've never used SPF and ended up with like a beautiful glow. Like, my skin looked better after the SPF than before. And this is the Banana Sun Serum. It is a SPF 50 plus. So it's very good in protecting your skin from sunscreen. And I am an advocate for Black women using sunscreen on our face, okay? I'm 40 years old, and I'm just starting to use sunscreen, and it has made a major difference in my face. And I'll show you a little bit of this too, y'all. Like, this is the texture. So very nourishing and hydrating. Not all ashy and thick. It's actually very moisturizing. So make sure you guys go get that. I absolutely loved it. Literally 10 out of 10. Like, y'all gotta go get these products. They are linked, and make sure y'all use my code. Y'all, just these two alone were the bomb, okay? But they sent me more, okay? So let's see what we got. So this, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a Fenty lip girl. I like a nice, thick, good, shiny lip gloss. And y'all, this lip gloss has changed the game for me. I'm about to reach it back out to them because they need to send me like a year's supply of this, okay? And this is their Alicia Sunset Dazzle Gloss Balm. And it's a vitamin E peptide. So I love this. I also love vitamin E, and I love a good peptide for the lip. Okay, so this is the peptide lip gloss. And it's actually a gloss balm, y'all. And I already love the way the tip is. That is so cute. It has like a little applicator there. And it's really nice and soft. It like massages your lips as you put the gloss on. Like, y'all, look at this. That's one little drop. One drop. Oh, that tip changes the game. It feels so good on your lips, y'all. It's like you can feel it massaging the balm into your lips. Oh, I love it. I love it. I am obsessed with this. Shout out to Alicia. I love it. 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10 for this. This is probably one of my favorite lip glosses, lip balms I've had in years. And I spend money on lip glosses. Some of my top lip glosses. You know the favorites. Y'all know. This got them beat. Like, my lips feel so good. Okay. So they also sent me over their shaper pomade, and it's an eyebrow fixer, right? So this goes on your eyebrows. So they say you could do it two ways. You could just put this on just to give your eyebrows some shape, which I already did. But I also can't wait to try it. You can put on your eyeliner. You can shade your brows in or do whatever you do with your brows. And you can actually brush this on top. And it helps lock in the shape, lock in your product and all of that. But I literally loved it just to tame my real brows. Like, I have nothing on my brows. I'm fresh out of the shower. And this helped my brows just look nice and sleek. I love that. And so this is their Shaper Pomade Eyebrow Fixer. And this is in clear. So there it is. And all I did was just go on my brows. I got a mirror right here. So all I did was just go on my brows and how I wanted them to go. And it like snatches your brows. I also liked it because I have stubborn eyebrow hair. Like, sometimes my eyebrow hair is super stubborn. When I put this on and smoothed it with the brush, oh baby, that thing was laid down flat. So I also really like this. This would be great with like your everyday routine. If you don't want to do makeup, all you need is this and this, and baby, you're out the door. Okay, you're out the door. Another thing about this that I really liked, the sorbet cleanser, was I suffer from like bumpy skin, like right here and like right here. And the moment I put it on, baby, I'm gonna show you the before and after. So this was like before I put it on. You can see it's bumpy, you know, a little look dirty for real. And then this is the after, and it was so smooth, clear, nice. And that was only after the first time me using it. So I'm going to use this like twice out of the week just to be sure it doesn't irritate me or anything. And I'm going to clear this skin up. So shout out to Alicia. Shout out to Yes Style. Make sure you guys go shop these products. They will all be linked, okay? They are all linked in the description, as well as use my code so you guys can get you a discount. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you guys go check out that Korean skincare, okay? Because that's where it's at. That's where it's at. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.